All right, I'm going to show you how to use custom filters in the Samsung Gallery app. This feature basically lets you pick any existing photo as a reference and then create a custom filter based on the mood and look of that reference photo. I'll go to the Gallery app, and there's two ways to use this. You can apply it to existing photos or apply the filter live through the camera app while you're shooting. I'll show you both. First, I'll pick a photo in my gallery that I want to edit and apply a filter to. Tap the little pencil icon at the bottom to edit, then tap the filter button. It'll show a bunch of existing built-in suggested filters, or you can tap this little plus icon to create your own. From there, browse your gallery and find a photo with a look and feel you want to replicate. I'll pick one here, and now it'll scan that reference photo and apply that same look onto the photo we're editing. It'll show me a little preview here, and that pencil icon next to the Filter 1 text allows you to give a custom name to this filter. I'll tap Done, and now that filter is saved into my filters list so I can use it again anytime. You can tap the filter to make manual adjustments, and you can also tap and hold these to reorder them. So, anytime you want to apply that same custom filter to a different photo going forward, it'll already be saved right here in your filter gallery, and you can either use it as is, or you can tweak the settings to fine-tune it for each photo you're applying the filter to. Now, if you'd rather use these filters live while actually shooting with the camera app, you can do that too. Go to the camera app, make sure you're in photo mode, then tap the Effects or Filters button up top, and there's our custom filter. Now, anything you capture from this point on will automatically be captured with that filter applied. And that is how you use custom filters on your Samsung phone. Like and subscribe if you enjoy tech guides like this, and go make some filters. Enjoy! Bye!